Hi, my name is Rajdeep Dey and I had my hair transplant in October, and as you can see, in just 4 months my hair growth has been a lot better, a lot more, and it was a very easy and painless process at New Roots Hair Clinic, and I'm very satisfied with the way my hair is growing, and there's a lot more to come, but I'm very satisfied with New Roots Hair Clinic. The doctors have been very supportive and they have always guided me in every step of the way. They've recommended the absolutely correct medicines and which helped me grow my hair in such a short time. And the staff have always been very cooperative, and they've helped me also in getting my medicines and all the necessary resources in time, which is why I'm very happy. The environment is very clean, very well maintained, which is why I would recommend New Roots Hair Clinic to anybody who's facing hair problems like me, and I would recommend them to come to New Roots Hair Clinic for a very quick, painless and easy solution with great doctors who would always help you in every step of the way.